Hello guys, my name is Luca and in this video I will show you how to reset your GoPro 11 in two different ways. How to charge the GoPro 11 if it doesn't charge and how to turn on the GoPro 11 if it doesn't turn on. Remember, these steps can be made on GoPro 11, GoPro 10, GoPro 9, GoPro 8, GoPro 7, GoPro 6 and even the old GoPro 5. First of all, let's reset it. There are two modes to reset if the device turns on or doesn't turn on. First, when the device turns on but have some problems like it's glitching, doesn't want to turn off, it is slow in performance, we can make a soft reset. Soft reset doesn't wipe the settings that it has, is just going to restart the GoPro and will work like in the beginning. To do this, it doesn't matter if it's powered on or off, just long press the power button located here for about 10 seconds and then release it. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9, 10. If you see that the display will turn off and then turn on again, that means that the soft reset is done. The second method is hard reset or factory reset that will reinstall all the camera settings to original, clear all device connection and erase everything on it. This will make your camera to feel like it's brand new. To do this, just turn on the camera, swipe down for settings, go to preferences, slide down till you see reset, tap on it and we will see format SD card, reset presets, reset camera tips and factory reset. The GoPro tells us resets your settings, clears your connection and removes the camera from your GoPro Cloud account. This will take about 10 seconds and straight away you will see the initial screen when we turn on for the GoPro for the first time. You see? This is the image that you will see for the first time when you open it. Skip setup, date. Okay, so it is resetted. Now troubleshooting. The two big problems with GoPro when it's not turning on is when the battery or something with the SD card is wrong. I recommend you to change them and then see what's going on. If the GoPro 10 or 11 doesn't want to turn on or doesn't charge, take out the SD card like that. And again press on the mode button or power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, plug in the charging cable. So we have here a power bank. Plug in the charging cable and then try again. You will see the LED that show us that it is powering on, it is charging. If that doesn't work, take out the battery, plug in the charger, so you will see nothing here. Just plug in the charging cable and then press on the power button. You will see that it is powering on with no battery, no SD cards. This is how you can make long videos you will see that the GoPro is turning on, and after that swipe in the battery like that. Let's see here. You see battery 87%. And if that also doesn't work, let the GoPro charge with the battery for at least 1 hour. Maybe the battery is completely drained out of energy and needs a couple of minutes to work okay. You will see on the front and back of the device the two LEDs here and here. That means the device is charging. If in all these cases the GoPro will turn on, go and make a factory reset. Swipe, preferences and factory reset. If you have left the GoPro for several months without turning it on and you have only one battery and you see that it doesn't react to anything, to any button you press, it is possible that the battery has failed and has no energy in it. Remove the battery and the SD card from the GoPro, then plug in the charging cable, turn on the GoPro, and after the screen's turned on, insert the battery into the GoPro and let it charge for at least 1 hour. That will resurrect your battery. This thing could save your battery or even the GoPro itself. What is your opinion? Does it work for you? Feel free to subscribe my YouTube channel and please hit that like button. Cheers!